viewers, welcome to my page. Welcome, because I am actually new to YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Gina Torres. And if you enjoy this video at the end, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean a ton to me. And let's get right into it. So now, if you're on my page, I'm assuming that you're suffering from some type of hair damage. It's cool, not to worry. We're going to do a do-it-yourself hair mask that is cost-effective and is actually very beneficial to our hair. Now, this is something that I've heard a lot from a lot of Spanish families actually about hair mayo being like this holy grail to your hair. Now, I've never done it. We're going to try it on camera to see if it actually works. And hopefully we can get our hair back to healthy, bouncy, and sleek. And get rid of the brittleness and breakage and split ends because, let's be honest, that's not cute. So follow me on my kitchen and let's whip all these ingredients together and see if this stuff is really a holy grail or an epic fail. The first item on our list is going to be mayonnaise. So you're going to make sure that you use a generous amount when you're placing it into your blender or your bowl. And the reason being is that you want to make sure that the hair mayo mask is actually thick in texture. You don't want it to be very runny because then that's going to cause a really messy situation. So now the second item on our list is going to be some eggs. And if you have hair like myself, and I mean by short, then all you need is one egg. But if you have long, luscious, Rapunzel looking hair, you may want to throw in two. The third item on our list is olive oil. Now, olive oil is a wonderful asset to this mask because it's great for extra conditioning, which your hair will be thankful for if you used any harsh chemicals like bleach before. For your hair strands to remain healthy, your hair strands must be kept strong to avoid further breakage. Okay guys, so now that we have everything placed inside our bowl or blender, we are ready to mix it up and find out if this baby is going to really condition our hair. And I am crossing fingers that it does because my hair is super dry and I know that this is going to be a life changer if it really works. Okay, so off camera I just actually poured the mixture directly into a bowl just so I have easy access as I'm placing it on my hair. Now you should get a rich, consistent, yet thick mixture just like this one. This will avoid any issues with running product down your face. And we're ready to start and put this baby on our head. So the first thing that you want to grab is some latex glove. Mine's is Pride vinyl gloves in size medium, and I paid about $3.99 from my local dollar store, but you can also find it on Amazon, and if you're interested in purchasing, I will leave the link down below. If you don't have gloves, you can always just use your bare hands or even a clean foundation brush as well. So right now I'm just taking my hair out of the ponytail and I'm going to get ready to actually start detangling my hair. I want to make sure that you guys at home, if you're following along, that you detangle your hair because it's really important. You want to make sure that you get all the knots out before you're applying the mask just to make sure that it's spreading on evenly. And for this instance, I'll be using my Grail detangling brush. And if you're interested in purchasing, I'm going to leave a link down below. This brush has been such a lifesaver. And if you really have issues with tangled hair, I definitely recommend it. Never even felt like we were broke. Using friends as alibis, no one ever knew just where we go. So now that my hair is completely detangled, I'm ready to start applying the hair mask directly onto my root area. And once I have my roots completely covered, I'm going to begin dividing my hair, and I'm going to put focus specifically at the end just because that is the oldest part of the hair and it's the most damaged. So now to optimize the effects of this mask, you really want to make sure that you grab yourself a hair cap, and if you don't have a hair cap, you can use a plastic bag of any sort. And just note that you're going to look like someone's cute little grandma. Don't worry, once this is all done, hopefully if this is a total beauty hack and not an epic fail, you're going to look like a gorgeous goddess. So just sit tight about 30 to 40 minutes. Go watch some Netflix, and when we're done, I'm going to show you my final results. So 30 minutes has passed, and I just washed my hair, and I'm just going to detangle my hair before I start blowing it out. Once I'm done detangling, I'm ready to apply some argan oil from Morocco right directly on my head. And this is just going to help leave a shine after I blow out my hair. Once you're done applying the oil throughout your entire head, you're going to want to go grab a heat protector of any sort. I'm using the Tony Guy heat protector, and you can purchase this baby on Amazon or any local drugstore. And you just want to make sure that you're spraying liberally throughout the entire head to protect it from any heat damage. And once we're done, I'm going to show you my final results. Hey guys, so I'm here fully blown out, and as you see, my hair is extremely silky. It definitely had some positive results on my hair, and I just want to show you guys. I actually love the way my hair turned out. It looks like I actually just came from the salon, which, girl, I love, because I love looking beautiful on a budget, and I'm pretty sure there's many viewers here that feel the same way. So I'm gonna just let you guys know, I definitely recommend this. Try it at home. You are not going to be sorry. And for the next 4 weeks, actually, I'm gonna be trying different hair masks, well, 4 different do-it-yourself hair masks here in my home, and see what masks are really holy grails or epic fails. And that way, if they're holy grails, you guys can try them out at home. So be on the lookout for that, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.